These are the Sennheiser HD206 headphones, economical headphones with Sennheiser quality. And I'm going to show you everything about these headphones, the characteristics, quality and demonstrations, to know everything about these headphones. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Let's physically explore the headphones. On top has the name Sennheiser in big letters. On the side it has the logo on both sides of the headphones. It has 4 ways to adjust for the head. You can open for wider heads, but also expand the earpieces for taller heads. Like this, you can increase the size, and you can place these headphones on a bigger head. Adjust as you want. Also, to adjust the curvature of the head when you place it on the ear, the headset rotates to fit perfectly on the face, to be more comfortable, fitting any type of face. But it also has another axis for rotation, which allows you to rotate it to also adapt to the curvature of the face. These are the 4 ways to adjust the headphones to your head. Regarding the comfort, it is padded and covered with artificial leather. It has a sponge for the ears. The ear will be inside and the sponge rests on the face to make it more comfortable during longer periods of time. But there is more. It is also padded on the top for the head, to also be comfortable when resting on your head, to have a soft feel when using. The artificial leather appears to be very thin and will be possible to wear out and eventually tear. But I can only confirm this after using it for a long time. On the side, above the earphones, there is a mark that indicates which earphone is for which side. These headphones are wired. Therefore, a wire comes out of each earphone, which joins into a single wire and connects to a 3.5mm plug to connect to audio equipment or a computer. But let's measure the headphones to see if they fit your head size. We have already seen that they are over ear, meaning the ear is inserted into this part. Let's measure the inside part where you'll place your ear. And this hole is 6 cm height and 4.2 cm wide. Therefore, the size of your ear cannot be higher than 6 cm, otherwise you'll not be able to place your ear inside. I will also measure the maximum height of the head. I will expand to increase, but in the minimum size, the height from the ear to the top of the head, it has a height of 8 cm, from the top of the ear to the top of the head. Therefore, this is the minimum height. Now expanding for the maximum height, I will measure it, and it can have a maximum height of 11 cm. Therefore, your head height must be between 8 and 11 cm to use it with comfort. So it is for people with normal size heads. It's just missing one more measurement, which is the width. We open the headphones to the sides. I will put the measuring tape on the table to make it easier, and placing it with a maximum opening that you can use it on your head comfortably, without being tight on your head. And it is 14 cm in size. This will be the maximum width that your head can be, to use it as comfortably as possible. And so these were the general measurements of these headphones, to see if these headphones will fit the size of your head. Have you measured your head? But regarding the size of the wire, it should be 3 meters, but I will measure it to confirm the size. I first have to unwind the wire, because the wire is very long. This measuring tape is only 3 meters long, so I will have to measure in 2 parts. I start measuring at one end, and I'm stretching the wire, and stretch the wire a little more, and measuring with a tape measure until the end of the wire, while also stretching the measuring tape to the other end of the wire. And it's exactly 3 meters long, from the headphones to the plug at the end of the wire. It measures 3 meters, so the manufacturer didn't lie. And these headphones actually have a 3 meter long wire. This was another video about the Sennheiser HD206 headphones, but there will be more videos to learn everything about these headphones and decide if you should buy this product. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week and I will bring more headphones.